I asked a woman last week what makes all the difference between feeling totally shut down in sex with a guy and feeling like your whole body is completely open, ecstatic, orgasmic. What is the guy doing that makes that difference? Obviously, I didn't ask her this exact question like this. It would be very dramatic. I'm just giving you the gist of the conversation. This woman was a client I was working with. We were discussing her experiences, why sometimes she can feel really amazing, super sensitive, super vibrant. She's feeling all that orgasmic flow through her body. So I asked, what is the man doing that makes you feel this way? And she said, it's not what he's doing, it's how he's doing it. So I said, how would you describe what is the quality that you feel? And she said, I think it's presence. Now, me personally, I'm aware what presence is and how powerful it is, how it changes everything, because I teach it in sex. So it's easy for me to understand what she means. But for a lot of guys out there, it's difficult to understand. It's a word that feels very, profound, but how do I actually do it? Like, what does it actually mean in sex? Yeah, I said, well, can you explain, like, if you wanted a man to be present with you, how would you explain it? Like, what is he doing so that he can understand what presence means? Because I thought it would be curious for men to hear it just in the language of a woman. So this is everything she said on this. I'm paraphrasing here. She said, you can feel that the man is here right now. He is actually feeling you. He's not in the stories in his head. It feels like attention. It feels like focus. And that's it. And this makes all the difference from being shut down to being really open and flowing in her orgasmicity, vibrating with you. So basically what she's saying is that you're not obsessed with your performance. That's what she meant by the stories in your head, that you have some kind of goal or the way you need to perform that you're concerned about and you're anxious about, and she can really feel that from you. You're not anxious about, her getting some kind of a result, like, making her come. It feels like you're doing it right now in this moment, this one thing, with the purpose of feeling her. So there is a focus and attention to how you're feeling her now, what you're feeling through her now. This is me kind of unpacking more what she meant. And with that intentionality, without all your goals and anxieties and your performance objectives, but you're really going deep into her. And I don't mean just penetration, I mean just into her body with your senses. And you're really projecting yourself and you feeling her intentionally in this moment. That's what makes her really open up to you and completely changes her experience for her. And this makes total sense. It's not some kind of voodoo. A woman doesn't give a shit about your performance. Like, you can tell it to your boys, but she doesn't give a shit. She wants to really be with you. She wants, like, the intense connection with you through her body. And that is the way that she can feel it from you, that you are really there. A woman's body is a sentient space. You can't just rub it mechanically. If she feels that you are there, that there is a person there making love to a person, she will respond and react completely differently. Hopefully this is useful to you, and big thanks to her for sharing that with us.